MAKTRAK is Makita's new flagship storage system. Today we're going to take a deep dive into every component that makes up the system. MAKTRAK is Makita's new flagship storage system. Today we're going to take a deep dive into every component that makes up the system. Right, so this is our foundation of the MAKTRAK. This is a roll-in tool chest. The horizontal design being larger allows you to fit larger tools in there, such as recips, SDSs and some circular saws. As you can see, you the end user can fit larger items inside the box. We are now going to be talking about the hinges of the lid. So the hinges are on both sides of the box. As you can see, these ones are already undone. This allows you to open from both sides and also remove the lid for ease of access. Our next feature is going to be our gecko grips on the handle, which allow ease of loading into your van and unloading of your van. We've also got some nice 9-inch heavy duty wheels for use over rugged terrain. Heavy duty clasps on both sides of the box, easily accessible with gloves on as well. And lastly, we've got metal locking points on this box and some of our other boxes, as well as an air tag holder on the inside of the box. So this is an overview of our roll-in tool chest. Moving on to our large toolbox. This toolbox shares some of the same features as our rolling toolbox, such as a large horizontal design for larger tools, nice heavy duty metal clips and latches and hinges, a dual opening lid that opens from both sides and is also removable. This box also contains an air tag holder. So this is our large extension toolbox in the range. As you can see, we've got some similar features to the other two boxes, as dual hinges on both sides of the box, allowing you to lift the lid up either side or remove the lid. We've also got a nice inner tray for storing stuff. As this box is the large organizer, we can fit larger items in, like plunge saws and circular saws with ease. We have dual mounting points on this box. We have the mounting points on the bottom of the box, and we also have a cleat on the front of the box, which allows you to mount it to the large wheeled organizer. So this is our medium toolbox, which shares a few same features as the extra large toolbox. It also shares the same footprint as the extra large toolbox. This toolbox has one hinge and one latch, so it only opens from one side. We also have two inner removable trays for storage with storage trays underneath. This is perfect for all your hand tools, accessories, and is a great addition to the MAKTRAK range. The next three cases we will be going over are the clear lid organizer. So we have the deep medium organizer, the low profile organizer, and the deep compact organizer. So even though these are two different boxes, they both share some same features, such as 5-inch deep buckets for more storage space, a nice clear see-through lid so you can see what you're looking at. We've also have a ribbed design on the top of the lid, giving you extra storage space and helps prevent tools from falling out. We've also got large glove-friendly latches on both boxes. And then last but not least, on both boxes we have metal reinforced locking points with a air tag holder inside of the box. This is our low profile medium organizer. As you can see, slightly lower depth than the other boxes. We have 11 various size internal compartments, with some have dividers in, so for extra storage. We also have a clear lid on this box, making it easy to identify what's inside. Great for storing small parts and small accessories. So that's an overview of our 3 clear lid organizers. Next, we're going to take you through how easy it is to stack the MAKTRAK. Starting with our rolling toolbox, we're going to stick our large organiser on top. Clip him in. Next, we're going to stick on top our next organiser. Followed by our deep organiser. That's right. Followed by one of our clear lid organisers. And our low profile organiser. And then last but not least, our compact organiser. So this is our Makita MAKTRAK storage solution, now available at Data Power Tools, link in the description below.